Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming prerequisites and signing in now. Open Settings and tap your name to verify your Apple ID. Enter the password when prompted. Once signed in, make sure you enable Face ID or Touch ID and set a strong device passcode. This lets the system save and autofill your App Store password securely. If prompted, approve two-factor authentication. This increases security and allows smooth password storage and retrieval later on. Now focus on saving the password using iCloud Keychain. Go to Settings, tap your name, choose iCloud, then Passwords and Keychain. Toggle iCloud Keychain on. You'll authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Approve any verification codes. Once enabled, the system offers to save your App Store password after a purchase or sign-in. This stores credentials encrypted in iCloud and syncs to your devices, so you won't retype the password on other signed-in Apple products. Finish by enabling auto-fill and testing the flow. Open Settings Passwords Auto-Fill Passwords and enable it for iCloud Keychain. Then download a free app from the App Store. When asked for the Apple ID password, choose the option to use saved credentials. Confirm Face ID/Touch ID to autofill. If the password isn't saved, make sure iCloud Keychain is active on all devices, sign out and back in, and check two-factor settings. That troubleshooting step fixes most sync problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.